For doing this activity, the items needed are this type of sheets and then paper pins for assembling the arrow. Then use different color papers to create a paper arrow. This method is beneficial for students, so teachers and parents can employ this math activity to identify different types of angles. To ask students to answer different types of angles, you can provide them with a set of questions or scenarios that involve various types of angles. This activity will help you visualize and understand different types of angles using a paper arrow. Have fun exploring angles. You can even ask them to rotate the paper arrow like this and let them answer the type of angle they have created. Before giving the scenarios, they must know what is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle, which is 360 degree.